believe that after Kapil Sharma and Sunil Grover, now comedian Krishna Abhishek will launch his own comedy show on television. Comedian Kapil Sharma became much popular with his show Comedy Nights with Kapil, whereas Sunil Grover, who is best known for his role as Gutti, is about to start his own show soon on Star Plus. Following their footsteps, actor and comedian Krishna Abhishek, who is a regular feature on the show Comedy Circus, will now launch his own comedy show on television. Meanwhile, Krishna is also known for his work in the movie Bol Bachchan. Reports suggest that the untitled show will go on air in February and Kiku Sharda from Comedy Nights with Kapil will also be part of it. Will Krishna be able to compete his competitors like Kapil Sharma and Sunil Grover? Do give us your opinion in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to Movies Adda.